Hello everyone. Today I will show you some farm animal and tell you their name. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Yummy milk. Cow. Next one is rooster. Cook-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Bye-bye, rooster. Now, the third one is dog. Dog is a faithful animal. Dog. Kids, do you like dog? Now the fourth one is sheep. Fluffy sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Fluffy wool. Sheep. Bye bye sheep. Do you know what's this? It's a goat. Goat. And the last one is goose. Quack, quack, quack. Goose. Goose. Kids, now you know the farm animal and their names. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.